Hi, so I just had a really bad sweet craving, and as you all know, I am on a journey of healthy eating. At least that's the goal in 2025. So I just wanted to share it with you. So even if you have real bad sweet craving, this is what you can do. I love oats, and these days what I do is I soak half a glass of oats. If this has 1.5 spoon, like a big tablespoon of oats in it, and this is soaked in soya milk, and in that I have put a couple of walnuts and some pomegranate peeled. Add any of your favorite toppings. Now I love strawberries. Fresh strawberries are just yum. So these are washed and the leafy part is peeled. I'm just gonna cut them and put it on this. Someone's at the door. Got this parcel from H&M. Kept it aside. I'm gonna wash my hands and come back. Hands are washed. Okay, so we'll cut these. I think that's all. I have some of these ripe bananas. I mean, they are sweetened now that they are ripe, so I'm gonna put them. Just drizzle some honey or maple syrup or whatever little sweetness you want to add to your dish. That's enough for me. And it's ready. It looks so pretty. And I'll add some cinnamon powder to it because I have it. You can add cocoa powder or whatever you want. Make sure you don't add too much cinnamon powder. I mean, I have done a bit of research on this, and you shouldn't be adding too much cinnamon to anything in a day. There's supposed to be a certain dosage for it. So yeah, and this is how it looks. Now let's dig in. Banana and cinnamon tastes really good. So good. I'll enjoy my dish now. Bye.